Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to add an audio in your video in Canva Pro video editor in just few simple steps. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, open your Canva application and then click on video. After that you can select any size of your video. You can select mobile video or simple landscape video. In my case I want to select only simple landscape video. So click on video and here it will provide you many ready-made templates. You can select any template, but in my case I don't want to select any of this. I only want to blank canvas, so I will click on plus icon and here you can add your video. After that you can add your audio. So I will click on upload a video and here you can upload your video. As I have just uploaded my video, so I will click on videos and here my video is available. So I will click on it and it will be automatically added in my canvas. So from here you can adjust the size of your video whatever you want. After adjusting the size, you can we want to add the audio, so I will click on uploads and after that click on upload files. And you can see I want to add this audio file, so I will double click on it and it will be automatically uploaded. So you can see our audio has been uploaded successfully. So after that we will add it into the video, so click on here. You can see our audio has been added successfully in this video. So guys, in this way you can add your audio in Canva Pro video editor in just few simple steps. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.